Abby, what did you do? Huh? What did you do? Did you make a mess? Huh? Mama tried to hide the towels from you. You found them, didn't you? Huh? Didn't you? Huh? Here, let's give you a towel. You want that? You want that? Is that funny? Here. Do you like paper towels, huh? Silly bird. Silly bird. Oh my goodness sakes. Look at this mess. Give me that. Give me that. Here. Come get it. Is that silly? You having a good time, huh? Do you like the sink? You're a silly bird. You're a messy bird. All right, I gotta go to work. You're making me late. What are you doing? What are you doing? All right, let's clean up this mess.